What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll do a quick 1-year review on the Keen Hyperport H2 sandals, which I'm wearing. And I'll also compare them to the Keen Newport H2 sandals, which I've used in the past and really like. But I'll tell you why I'm switching to the Hyperports. So I already made a full 4-year review video for the Keen Newport H2 sandals, and the short version is, they were awesome. I really like them, but they failed where the ankle strap ties in. I tried sewing them, but it's all elastic, so the repair didn't last very long. At the end of that video, I got a brand new pair of Newports, and I walked into the sunset to live happily ever after with my new sandals. And I used them. I'm hard on sandals and practically live in them during the summer, and I have no doubt I've put thousands of miles on the new pair of Newports. And a year later I was dealing with this again, which is unfortunate because the rest of the sandal is in great condition, and for me it feels wasteful to buy a new pair every year just because of this problem. And it was time to try something different. So say hello to the Keen Hyperport H2 sandal. Here's some poor footage that I have from last year when I bought them. I thought I had filmed something better, but this is what I have. But don't worry, they're still in excellent condition, and we'll check them out in detail and compare them to the Newports. So, they're both advertised for water sports and hiking. The Hyperports are more lightweight, and the Tread is supposedly better for water activities. And the Newports are more heavy duty and rugged, and are more in their element for hiking. Comparing the soles, the Newport has a denser, heavier material, and the Hyperport is more lightweight with more cushion. And I can feel the difference. The Hyperport weighs in at 352 grams, and the Newport is 434 grams. But they both have the same anti-odor anatomic footbed, which has been comfortable and odor-free. And the most notable aspect in my personal experience is the ankle strap. There's a bunch of stitching here, connecting an elastic material to a rigid material, and it just hasn't held up for me. The Hyperports are a different design, with uniform stretchy material, and it's held up perfect with no issues. I've been using these for over a year, and I still live in them during the summer, and I've easily put hundreds of miles on them. I know they're advertised as a lightweight version of the heavy-duty Newports, but I've put these through everything I put the Newports through, and they're holding up beautifully, and the Hyperport H2s are definitely my go-to sandals going forward. And I think that gets us through it. The Newports were awesome when they were brand new, but the ankle strap just didn't hold up for me, and I can't justify buying them again. The Hyperports are kind of the modern lightweight version, advertised not to be quite as rugged, but they've done everything I've asked them to do, and the ankle strap hasn't fallen apart, so they're the winner in my book. And I do think the materials dry out faster when they get wet. So that wraps this up. As always, I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.